Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about poly piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on. Hey Graham,
Hey Corey,
I got a question for you.
I'm ready.
What's the problem with polybutylene piping?
Well, there's a lot of problems with it. Where do I start? It was dropped on its head when it was a kid, and ever since then it's never been quite the same. But on a serious note, polybutylene piping deteriorates based on a molecular level where it causes stress fractures and pinhole leaks. Eventually, all poly will have failed, and insurance companies, as of 2005, haven't had to cover poly indemnity clauses based on class action lawsuits and Supreme Court of Canada. So we recommend that all poly gets replaced, and hopefully use a professional like us. And I don't even know what I'm doing with this video because we've already answered this question like 6 times.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on poly. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.